In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert to video. Free video converter tutorial video. If you want to learn how to make YouTube content effortlessly, click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Open up a new tab in your search bar or engine and type in free video converter, and then scroll down and there's a list of different websites. Choose which one that you would like. In this case, we're going to click the second option, freeconvert.com, and then click choose files and locate on your device, PC or Mac, the video that you want to convert for free. In this case, you have different options under output. You have a different list of files ranging from video. And if you're happy with it, you can even click the settings and see that you can change different settings within your video. And click apply, and then click convert, and wait for this to upload, and then click and download. You have successfully downloaded a video free converter online. Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours and money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.